Dear students, you know we are discussing about suffixes and prefixes. Before it, we started this chapter, and today we shall also discuss some other rules on suffixes and prefixes. This chapter is very important for knowing new words. So let's start. Look at the board. You see, I have set some root words and also some new words by adding suffixes and prefixes. These are the root words. In this column, at first, the column you see, these are the root words. Okay. At first, crowd. Crowd. When you see crowd in the bracket, then you can see you can make from this root word you can make crowded or you can make overcrowded according to context. You have to use them according to context. So from crowd is a noun. It will be crowded. Crowded is adjective. Overcrowded is also adjective. Okay. Then calm. When you see calm in the bracket, then you can make overcome, or you can make welcome, or you can make welcoming, or you can make become. From this root word calm, you can make overcome. Calm is verb. Overcome is also verb. Welcome, welcoming adjective, or become. Become also a verb. Calm. From calm, you can also another verb become. Okay, in this way you can make any from this word you can use any of you can make any of them according to demand of the context. Okay, then company. Company is a noun. From company you can make companion adjective or accompany verb, or you can make accompanied. Accompanied is adjective. So from this root word company, you can make companion, accompany, or accompanied according to context. Okay. Then contrast. Contrast is adjective. From contrast, you can make unconscious. Unconscious using adding prefix. You see adding prefix un, you can make unconscious. Unconscious is opposite of conscious. Unconscious is opposite of conscious. So you can, if it demands opposite word, then you can make unconscious. You can make consciously. From conscious, you can make consciously by adding suffix. By adding suffix ly, you can make consciously. This is adverb. Or you can make unconsciously by adding prefix and suffix. By adding prefix and suffix, you can make unconsciously. This is also adverb. Or you can make consciousness. You can make from conscious, you can make consciousness. Consciousness is noun form of conscious. When we add ness suffix at the end of the conscious, then it will be noun. Okay, consciousness. Also, you can make unconsciousness by adding prefix and suffix. By adding prefix and suffix, you can make unconsciousness. Here, un is prefix and ness is suffix. So, from this root word conscious, you can make unconscious, you can make consciously, you can make unconsciously, you can make consciousness. Consciousness, ness is suffix here. Consciousness and then or unconsciousness. Okay, in this way you can make any word from this root word according to your context. Okay, then charm. From charm, this root word you can make charming. Charm is noun, but charming is adjective. Or you can make charmless. Charmless is also adjective. Charm, charming, charmless. Charming and charmless. Charmless is opposite of charming. They are both adjective. So you can make from this root word charm, you can make charming or charmless according to your context, you can use them. Okay. Then create. From create, you can make creation. Create is verb, but creation is noun. When you add shun, use shun, then it will be noun. Okay. From create, you can use creation, noun. You can use creative, adjective, creative by adding suffix, or you can make creator by adding suffix. You can make creator. So from create, you can use creation, you can make creative, or you can make creator, or you can make recreate. This is another verb. Create, recreate, and also recreation. Recreation is another noun. This is also noun. Recreation. So from create, we can make creation, creative, creator, recreate, or recreation. Any word we can make from this root word according to our context. Okay. Then consume. Consume is verb. From this root word consume, you can make consumer. Who consume? They are called consumer. Who consume? He is called consumer. This is adjective. And conjunction. Conjunction is noun. By adding suffix, you can make conjunction. So from consume, by adding suffix, we can make it consumer. By adding suffix, we can make it conjunction. According to context, we can use them. Okay. Then child. Child. From this root word child, we can make children. You know, children is the plural of child. Children is the plural of child. So we by adding suffix, we can make it children. We can use the plural form of child, children. We can also use childhood. By adding suffix hood, we can use childhood. Here the suffix is hood. So by adding suffix, we can make it childhood, or we can make it childish. By adding suffix ish, we can make it childish. So according to context, we can from this root word child, we can make children, we can make childhood, we can make childish. Okay. So you have to always read the context. You have to always understand the context. Then according to context, according to the demand of context, we can make this type of new words. Okay. Cure. From cure is verb. From cure, we can use curable. By adding suffix, we can use curable. This is adjective. Or you can use incurable. Incurable is also suffix and prefix. Prefix in and suffix able, we can make it incurable. Incurable is the opposite word of curable. So from cure, we can use curable. Adjective, we can make it the verb cure, we can make it adjective. Curable, we can make it adjective. Incurable. Curable, incurable. Incurable is opposite of curable. You should remember it. Okay. Then complete. Complete is a verb. From complete, we can make it adverb by adding suffix ly. We can make it completely. Completely is adverb. Or we can make it incomplete by adding prefix in. By adding prefix in, we can make it incomplete. Incomplete is the opposite of complete. Incomplete is the opposite of complete. This is also adjective. This is also we can make it. We can use it as adjective or adjective. Adjective. Okay. So completely or incomplete. We can make these two words from this root word. Okay. Then civil. Civil is adjective. From this adjective, from this root word, we can make civility. By adding suffix, we can make it civility. Civility is noun. Or we can use civilize. Civilize is verb form of civil. So we can use civilize. We can use civilization. Also adding suffix, we can make it civilization. We can use civilized. Civilization is noun, but civilized is adjective. We can make it adjective civilized by adding suffix, or we can use uncivilized. Uncivilized by adding suffix and prefix, we can make it uncivilized. Uncivilized is opposite of civilized. Uncivilized is opposite of civilized. So from this root word civil, we can use civility noun, we can use civilized verb, we can use civilization noun, we can use civilized adjective, or we can use uncivilized also adjective. So these new words we can use from civil according to our context of the passage. We can use them, any one of them. Okay, then care, from care we can use careful. Careful is adjective. Carefully is adverb. When we use ly with adjective, then it will be adverb. So carefully is adverb. Or we can use careless. Careless is opposite of careful. Careless is opposite of careful. It is also adjective. We can use adjective careless, or we can use carelessly. When we add ly with the adjective, then it will be adverb. So we can use carelessly. So from this root word care, we can use careful, we can use carefully, we can use careless, or we can use carelessly. Any part of the speech we can make from this root word. Okay, then cultivate. Cultivate is verb. From this root word cultivate, we can use cultivation. We can make it cultivation. Cultivation is noun. When we add sham at the end of the root word, then it will be noun. Cultivation is noun, and cultivable. By adding suffix, we can make it cultivable. Cultivable is adjective. Also, we can use cultivator. By adding suffix, we can also make it cultivator. So, from cultivate, from this root word, from this verb, we can make cultivation noun, we can make adjective cultivable or cultivator. So, these words we can make from this root word cultivate. Okay, then at last cheer. From cheer we can use cheerful. Cheerful is adjective, or we can use cheerfully. When we add ly with the adjective, then it will be adverb. So cheerfully. From cheer we can use cheerful, or we can use cheerfully, or we can use cheerless. Cheerless is opposite of cheerful. Cheerless is opposite of cheerful. This is also adjective. So from cheer we can make it adjective cheerful. We can make it adverb cheerfully. We can also use it opposite word cheerless. Okay, in this way we can. So dear students, in this way you have to practice more and more. You should remember, the more you practice, the more you learn. So today we shall discuss all the words beginning with C. In every word we start beginning with C. We have discussed today. So in my next class we shall discuss another rules beginning with D, E. In this way we can use the next other rules. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. All the best.